welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to import DeFi transactions from Etherscan in CoinLedger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using your CoinLedger and you want to transport or import your DeFi transaction from Etherscan, all you can do is simply you need to connect your public Ethereum wallet address. CoinLedger automatically scans the Ethereum blockchain, which Etherscan is an interface for, to pull in all relevant transaction data, including most DeFi activity. So you need to find your public wallet address, navigate to the import section in CoinLedger. Now after this, you need to select the Ethereum or your specific wallet provider, paste your address and connect, and then you can simply sync your transactions. So this is how you can import your DeFi transactions from Etherscan in CoinLedger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.